What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a handful of new parts here, and I haven't really done any of this on this channel. I've worked in a lot of different industries where I do product overviews, unboxings, and things like that, and I thought, man, new camera, I'm gonna use it for this channel. Why not do an unboxing and show you guys what's in it? So today will be a unboxing of the Insta360 Luna Ultra, and these are some upcoming videos I'll do an unboxing of. So today is gonna be focused solely on the Insta360. All right, so comes in this nice little box here. Reminds me of anything Apple. And as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff that comes in the box. I'm sure you guys have seen some of these unboxings before. Let's go ahead and cut her on open. I currently have an Osmo Pocket 3 for work, and I wanted a camera for myself, so there's a bag here. Looks like there's a few other things in the box. And this looks like it's information on the battery handle, the threaded handle, a warranty card. You get 2 stickers. Think Bold, Insta360, a safety guidelines, and another safety guidelines, one for the Mic Pro. This is a quick little how-to on the Mic Pro. Put all this stuff out here. And then this one is your quick start guide. And then some candy. Do not eat. Now, Insta360 did not send this to me. I purchased this with my own money, and that's a whole nother story I will get into after everything's said and done, but I'll drop an Amazon link below so you can get yours. This is a creator combo. When I purchased mine, the creator combo wasn't available on Amazon. It was just a camera, and I think the creator combo is now available. So let's open this up and see what's inside. All right, I'm just gonna pull everything out. That's cool. There's a little memory card holder or maybe a microphone holder. And then these are Velcroed in. Nobody has really touched on that I've seen on any of the unboxings of these. I like the branding. I like that they did this little rubber. So let's set this aside. We got a USB cable. I'm gonna leave a little plastic on that one. And then we have our wide angle lens here. Set that right there. We got our Mic Pro with our little display. We have our wind muff, our deadcat. We got our little magnet, and that's for the microphone. We got the microphone clip that is magnetic, and it has a little bit of a clip to it. It's a little wind muff for the Insta360 itself. This is the threaded handle with our little tripod feet at the bottom. Pretty cool. Got a little wrist strap. I don't ever use these, but sometimes I think I should. And this was something that I was always hoping for, a battery handle. Looks kind of small, and it has the tripod and 1/4-20 at the bottom as well. And then we got what you guys all came for, the actual camera. So right here, there's a little button you press and it opens this up. Before we open it up and show you inside, there is a little indicator right here that when it's charging, you will see the light flashing. There's also a spot right here to clip your microphone on. So this clip goes on here like that, and then your microphone snaps on like that. But let's go ahead and open it up. And inside, you'll notice that there is a spot for the wide angle lens and the black mist filter. And there's little rubberized spots in here to kind of keep the camera in place. And if you were to ever drop this, gives a little bit of impact resistance. So let's go ahead and close that for the moment. And then we have the camera. It's pretty rad. We'll go ahead and, yeah, satisfying. Look at the camera. It's pretty cool. Really like the look of it. Feels substantial versus my Osmo Pocket 3. And then something I noticed early on was this. This is for the little wind muff here. You'd put that in there. It already has one in there, so you don't necessarily need another one, but it's an extra. It looks like it's a little bit more dense potentially. They do give you an extra one because there is a microphone right there. And that just snaps on like that. And then the one cool thing everybody loves is you press both those little red buttons on the side and you can pull the screen off. Just like that. You flip it up, powers it on. And like that, it is on. And in another video, I will go over how to set this up and everything you need to know. And that is everything included on your Insta360 Luna Ultra. And after a little bit of use, I'll show you guys how to set it up to where it's easy to use and maybe a few quirks and different things that I find with it. Other than that, I know it's a short video, just a basic unboxing, but I wanted to put that out for you guys so you could see up close and personal all the little bits and pieces. All right, guys, that's everything that was in your Insta360 Luna box. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments below. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the links for these. I do get a little bit of a commission, obviously, for that. It helps support this channel to be able to buy more cooler things. I get no support from brands. This is all out of my own pocket. If you guys have any things that you want to see on this or anything else, let me know. I'll go ahead and try and make a video for you guys. But thanks. And also, what do you guys think of the background? If you are coming from other places, you'll probably know the background. This is my home studio. Like, I built all this to be able to create videos. Now, not necessarily exactly for this channel, but this is all out of my own pocket. This studio and the lighting and the background and everything like that. Drop a comment below, let me know what you guys think. What do you guys think of the inky wheels for the hose reels? I think it's kind of sick. Got the new toolbox, all that. But don't forget to drop a comment below, show the support. It is my birthday, it's June 20th, so wish me a happy birthday in the comments down below. Selfless plug. And don't be thirsty, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Oh, this channel wasn't supposed to be all professional, but might as well. It's hot. All right.